My name is Dr. Richard Shope. I'm the president of the World Space Foundation. The purpose of the World Space Foundation is basically science, science education, and literature. We use the combination of science and literature to bring knowledge to young people. We help them understand what it means to be and become a scientist. Our approach is unique mostly because, in addition to being science-oriented, I'm a mime artist and a writer. And I studied with Marcel Marceau and Mamako Yoneyama and Carlo Mazzoni Clemente and other great mime artists and improvisational artists in the 70s and 80s. And since then, I've been using the art of mime to apply it to teaching across the curriculum. So I've taught literature, taught social studies, taught science, even working at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory for NASA, using mime to help people understand the complexities of science and space technology. In this case, what we're now doing is we create scripts, we create hands-on activities, and we carry out what we call world space expeditions. One of our current expeditions is called the virosphere. Now, everyone knows what the atmosphere is. It's the air around us. And the virosphere are the viruses that are in and around us. So one of the big problems when we talk about viruses is they're hard to understand. They're extremely tiny. What we do is we magnify what is happening on a very tiny scale and act it out. We use mime and improvisational theater for the students to play the parts of the antibodies, the viruses. We get them involved, we get them learning, we have them keep science journals, and then at the end, they use the mime and improvisational skills that they've learned from us, as well as the scientific knowledge, to put together an explanation of what they discovered during the expedition.